Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to turn off restricted mode on an iPhone. So let's get started. First, open the settings app on your iPhone device. Then once you're inside the settings, scroll down and tap on the screen time option available there. After you tap on the screen time, scroll down and you will get to see content and privacy restrictions available there, and simply if it is turned on then turn it off. If it is turned on, then you should turn that off. So, once you have followed these steps, restricted mode should be turned off on your iPhone, allowing you to access all content without restrictions. So, if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thank you for watching.